Warren Buffett just dropped nearly $4 billion on 3 brand new stocks and almost nobody is talking about it. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Berkshire Hathaway's latest 13F filing to reveal the 3 companies that just earned the Oracle of Omaha's stamp of approval. These aren't your typical tech darlings. We're talking about companies with deep, impenetrable moats quietly dominating their industries. We'll break down a global security leader, a giant in outdoor advertising, and a healthcare pioneer fundamentally reshaping care for millions. This isn't just a news update, it's a masterclass in value investing, straight from the source. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. First up, Allegion, ticker ALLE, a global leader in security products from smart locks to access control systems. Allegion's story is one of quiet dominance built on decades of expertise in keeping people and property safe. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, chances are you've interacted with their products without even realizing it. You may not know the name, but you've likely used their brands, Schlage, Von Duprin, LCN, trusted in homes and businesses everywhere. These brands are synonymous with reliability and security, and they've become fixtures in both residential and commercial spaces across the globe. Allegion is a classic Buffett pick, essential, unflashy, and deeply embedded in daily life. Their products are the kind you don't notice until you need them, but once you do, you realize just how vital they are to everyday safety and convenience. Every new building, renovation, or office upgrade needs locks and access systems. Allegion dominates this space. From the moment a blueprint is drawn, Allegion's solutions are considered essential, making them a go-to partner for architects, builders, and property managers. Their massive distribution network and long-term relationships with builders create a formidable barrier to entry. These partnerships aren't built overnight, they're the result of years of trust, consistent product quality, and reliable service. What sets Allegion apart is its blend of old-school reliability and cutting-edge tech, leading in both mechanical locks and smart connected security. They're not just keeping up with trends, they're setting them, investing heavily in R&D to stay ahead of evolving security needs. Their electronic locks, biometrics, and mobile access solutions are growing fast, riding the wave of smart home and IoT adoption. As more people seek convenience and control, Allegion's technology is becoming a staple in modern living and working environments. The replacement market for traditional products provides steady revenue, while innovation in electronics opens new growth avenues. This dual engine, serving both legacy and emerging needs, gives Allegion a unique resilience and adaptability in a changing world. Financially, Allegion is a model of consistency, steady revenue growth, expanding margins, and strong free cash flow. Even during economic downturns, demand for security remains robust, making Allegion's business less cyclical than many industrial peers. This allows for reinvestment, smart acquisitions, and shareholder returns through dividends and buybacks. Their disciplined approach to capital allocation means they're always looking for ways to strengthen the business and reward investors. Once a building is outfitted with Allegion products, switching is costly and inconvenient, creating sticky, recurring revenue. This lock-in effect ensures that Allegion's products remain in place for years, if not decades, providing a reliable income stream. Their global footprint, especially in North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific, insulates them from regional downturns and fuels growth. By diversifying across markets, Allegion can capture opportunities wherever construction and security needs are rising. The company's pricing power and high switching costs are invaluable, especially in inflationary times. When costs rise, Allegion can pass some of those increases on to customers, protecting margins and maintaining profitability. Berkshire's investment, though small by their standards, signals deep, unrecognized value and confidence in Allegion's long-term prospects. It's a classic Buffett move, spotting a business with a durable moat and letting compounding do the heavy lifting. Management's disciplined capital allocation and focus on shareholder value align perfectly with Buffett's philosophy. They're not chasing fads or risky bets. They're building for the long haul, prioritizing sustainable growth and prudent investment. Allegion is quietly critical to modern life. Every time you enter an office, apartment, or airport, you're likely using their products. Their solutions are woven into the fabric of daily routines, providing peace of mind and seamless access wherever people live, work, and travel. The security industry is set for continued growth, with trends like smart homes and building automation as tailwinds. As cities become smarter and more connected, the demand for integrated, intelligent security solutions will only accelerate. Allegion is transitioning into a solutions provider, offering integrated systems and valuable analytics for building managers. This shift not only deepens customer relationships, but also opens up new recurring revenue streams through software and services. Their position in both commercial and residential markets, plus a strong brand and distribution, make them a quiet compounder. Allegion's ability to serve a wide range of customers, from homeowners to Fortune 500 companies, gives it a unique edge in the security landscape. Allegion stands at a market cap of $14.65 billion. The company posted earnings per share of 7.24, with a price-to-earnings ratio of 23.52. In 2024, Allegion generated $3.77 billion in revenue, translating into a net income of $597.5 million. For value investors, Allegion offers recurring revenue, high switching costs, and a strong competitive position, often at a discount to flashier tech names. It's the kind of business that quietly compounds wealth over time, rewarding patient shareholders. This is Buffett 101, a durable, essential business with a wide moat and long-term growth runway. Allegion's combination of necessity, innovation, and financial strength makes it a textbook example of a high-quality compounder. Allegion is a bet on the enduring need for safety and security in a changing world. As technology evolves and threats change, the fundamental human need for protection remains constant, and Allegion is there to meet it year after year. Next up, let's talk about Lamar Advertising, ticker symbol LAMR, one of the largest and most influential outdoor advertising companies in North America. With a history stretching back over a century, Lamar has become a fixture on highways and city streets, shaping the way brands reach millions of people every day. But Lamar isn't just about billboards. It's a real estate juggernaut, owning or leasing more than 150,000 prime advertising locations across the US and Canada. These sites are strategically placed along busy highways, bustling city centers, and even in small towns, ensuring that their reach is both broad and deep. What really sets Lamar apart is the regulatory environment. Strict zoning laws and local ordinances make it nearly impossible for new competitors to build billboards in most areas. This creates a massive moat around Lamar's business, turning its existing network into an irreplaceable asset base that's protected from disruption. The result? Highly predictable recurring revenue from advertisers who need to get their message in front of drivers and pedestrians. This kind of steady, reliable cash flow is exactly what Warren Buffett looks for in an investment. In a world where digital ad giants like Google and Facebook dominate headlines, Lamar's physical billboards offer something unique. They can't be skipped, blocked, or ignored. Whether you're stuck in traffic or walking down the street, outdoor ads have a captive audience, making them a powerful tool for brands. As a real estate investment trust, or REIT, Lamar is required to pay out at least 90% of its taxable income as dividends. This structure makes it a powerful income generator for shareholders, offering a steady stream of cash returns that can be especially attractive in uncertain markets. The business model is elegantly simple. Rent out billboard space to a diverse mix of customers, from national brands to local businesses. This diversity helps insulate Lamar from downturns in any single sector, ensuring that revenue remains stable even when parts of the economy are struggling. In recent years, Lamar has been aggressively converting its top locations to digital billboards. These high-tech displays can rotate multiple ads throughout the day, multiplying revenue per site and offering advertisers more flexibility and impact. This digital transformation is a major growth engine for Lamar. With only a fraction of its billboards currently digital, there's a long runway ahead for expansion. Each new digital conversion unlocks higher margins and more revenue opportunities. Digital billboards also offer high operating leverage. Once the initial investment is made, adding new advertisers or updating content is quick and inexpensive, driving profitability even higher as the network grows. Another key strength is Lamar's management. The company has been family-led for generations, fostering a culture of long-term thinking and alignment with shareholders. This owner-operator mindset is a hallmark of many of Buffett's favorite investments. The outdoor advertising industry is an oligopoly dominated by just a handful of major players. High barriers to entry and rational competition mean that pricing remains disciplined and industry profitability is protected. Berkshire Hathaway's $400 million investment in Lamar is a strong vote of confidence. It signals belief in Lamar's durable, cash-generating business model and the inflation-hedged nature of its real estate assets. Outdoor advertising has proven remarkably resilient over time. Even after economic downturns or natural disasters, billboards remain standing, ready to deliver value as soon as conditions improve. They're a staple of American infrastructure, woven into the fabric of daily life. Lamar's robust cash flow not only funds generous dividends but also supports ongoing digital expansion. Despite its steady performance, the company's valuation often lags behind flashier tech and media stocks, creating opportunities for patient, value-oriented investors. Looking ahead, Lamar's vast network of billboard real estate could unlock entirely new revenue streams. Imagine billboards doubling as sites for 5G antennas, EV charging stations, or other emerging technologies, further enhancing the value of each location. Local businesses in particular rely on Lamar's billboards to reach their communities. This creates a sticky, loyal customer base that's less likely to cut advertising during tough times, adding another layer of resilience. When you combine irreplaceable assets, high barriers to entry, steady cash flow, and digital-driven growth, you get a company that checks all the boxes for a classic Buffett investment. Berkshire's steady accumulation of Lamar shares isn't about chasing quick gains. It's a long-term commitment to a business with enduring advantages and a proven track record. While the market's attention is often fixated on the latest tech trends, Buffett is quietly buying up America's highways, betting on the lasting power of physical presence and real-world infrastructure. Lamar Advertising is a masterclass in finding extraordinary value in what many see as an ordinary, even overlooked industry. It's a reminder that sometimes the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight. The company has a market cap of $12.38 billion, with earnings per share at 4.30 and a P/E ratio of 28.44. Lamar recorded $2.21 billion in revenue for 2024, bringing in $361.87 million in net income. Investing in Lamar is ultimately a bet on the resilience of real estate, the staying power of outdoor advertising, and the ability to adapt and grow as technology evolves. In a world obsessed with the next big thing, Lamar proves that enduring value can be found in the most familiar places. Sometimes the best investments really are hiding in plain sight. Finally, let's turn our attention to UnitedHealth Group, ticker symbol UNH, a true titan in the healthcare industry and a pioneer in both managed care and health services. UnitedHealth is not just another insurance company, it's a multifaceted organization that has fundamentally changed how Americans access and experience healthcare. Warren Buffett's $3.4 billion investment in UnitedHealth is a massive statement of confidence. It's a bet on the company's sheer scale, its relentless drive for innovation, and its ability to deliver long-term, sustainable growth. This isn't just about numbers, it's about trusting a business model that has proven resilient through economic cycles and industry disruptions. UnitedHealth operates as an integrated healthcare powerhouse with two main engines, UnitedHealthcare, which provides insurance coverage, and Optum, which delivers health services and cutting-edge technology. This dual structure allows the company to serve a vast range of needs, from basic insurance to advanced data-driven care solutions. UnitedHealthcare alone covers tens of millions of Americans, offering a stable foundation of recurring premium revenue. This massive customer base gives UnitedHealth unmatched negotiating power with hospitals, doctors, and pharmaceutical companies, helping to keep costs in check while maintaining quality care. But it's Optum that truly sets UnitedHealth apart. Optum is the company's growth engine, offering a wide array of health services, sophisticated data analytics, and pharmacy benefit management. By leveraging technology and data, Optum creates a self-reinforcing, highly efficient system that improves outcomes for patients and providers alike. The integration of insurance and care delivery is a game-changer. UnitedHealth can proactively manage patient care, coordinate treatments, and lower overall costs. This approach not only drives efficiency, but also leads to better health outcomes, making the company a leader in value-based care. Healthcare is a non-discretionary expense. People need it regardless of the economy. UnitedHealth sits at the very center of a $4 trillion industry, benefiting from powerful demographic tailwinds like an aging population and the increasing prevalence of chronic conditions. As healthcare spending continues to rise, UnitedHealth is positioned to capture a growing share of this massive market. The company's track record is nothing short of phenomenal. For decades, UnitedHealth has delivered double-digit earnings growth, demonstrated operational excellence, and shown a relentless commitment to innovation. Its ability to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing industry is a testament to its world-class management team. UnitedHealth's scale, vast data resources, and integrated business model create a competitive moat that's nearly impossible for rivals to breach. The company's ability to analyze massive amounts of health data gives it unique insights into patient care, cost management, and risk assessment. UnitedHealth is at the forefront of the shift to value-based care, a model that rewards providers for keeping patients healthy rather than simply performing more procedures. This approach aligns incentives across the healthcare system and is increasingly favored by both policymakers and patients. Optum's rapid growth and high margins make UnitedHealth more resilient than traditional insurers. By diversifying its revenue streams, the company can smooth out earnings volatility and maintain stability even when insurance markets face headwinds. Buffett's investment is a bet on American innovation. UnitedHealth is harnessing technology, artificial intelligence, and new care models to tackle the challenge of rising healthcare costs. The company's innovation labs are constantly developing new solutions to improve patient outcomes and streamline operations. UnitedHealth generates enormous free cash flow, which it reinvests in growth initiatives, strategic acquisitions, and returning capital to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. This disciplined approach to capital allocation ensures the company remains financially strong and able to seize new opportunities. The company's size and influence give it a seat at the table when it comes to shaping healthcare policy. UnitedHealth is adept at navigating regulatory changes and can thrive under virtually any political climate, making it a reliable long-term investment. One of the biggest growth drivers for UnitedHealth is its focus on Medicare Advantage. As millions of baby boomers retire and enroll in these plans each year, UnitedHealth is perfectly positioned to capture a significant share of this expanding market. In fact, UnitedHealth is the largest provider of Medicare Advantage plans in the country, giving it a dominant position in a market that's expected to keep growing for decades to come. The company's dominant market position, integrated business model, and multiple avenues for growth make it a true fortress in the healthcare sector. Few competitors can match its scale, reach, or resources. Buffett is willing to pay a premium for quality, and UnitedHealth is a wonderful company at a fair price, not just a fair company at a bargain. This investment reflects his belief in the company's enduring competitive advantages and its ability to deliver value for years to come. Ultimately, this investment signals deep confidence in the future of American healthcare and the strength of American enterprise. UnitedHealth is not just riding the wave of change, it's helping to shape the future of the entire industry. UnitedHealth is actively shaping the industry's future, not just participating in it. Through strategic vision and relentless execution, the company is setting new standards for what's possible in healthcare. UnitedHealth Group is with a massive market cap of $274.26 billion. It posted earnings per share of 23.82 and a price-to-earnings ratio of 12.65. For 2024, UnitedHealth brought in $400.28 billion in revenue and earned $14.4 billion in net income. What's striking here is its valuation. The current share price of $301.39 is trading at nearly 52% below its fair value estimate of $457.65, signaling a significant potential upside. For serious investors, UnitedHealth represents a bold move worth studying closely. Its combination of stability, innovation, and growth potential is rare in any sector, let alone one as vital as healthcare. UnitedHealth Group stands as a best-in-class operator in one of the most important and resilient sectors of the American economy. A company built for the future. There you have it, the three newest additions to Warren Buffett's legendary portfolio, from Allegion's security fortress, to Lamar's irreplaceable real estate, to UnitedHealth's scale and innovation. Each pick is a lesson in finding value with wide moats and staying power. The best investments aren't always the loudest. They're the ones quietly compounding wealth year after year. Want to level up your investing? Check out the Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. For exclusive stock tips and in-depth analysis, join the Stocks Galore Patreon community. Which of these Buffett picks do you think has the most upside? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more investing insights. See you in the next one.